Hello my friends, MrWig today decided to come and see a KitCar show. I'm here at the Malverns, 3 counties in the county of Worcestershire, and today is going to be the KitCar show here. I do like to come here because this is huge. I can see there's more cars this year, and fingers crossed, what I can see, I reckon, is over 1,000 cars here. If you are not in kit cars, let me to tell you, they are cheap to run, they are beautiful, your car insurance and even maintenance will be much cheaper. So let's gonna see and try to find awesome cars. Let's go.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet.
The good thing is when you come to a car show like this, you're gonna see amazing cars, beautiful. Love this type of cars, really stunning.
It will come back to you.
These Ford GT40, they are stunning. Replica cars, but they are the real thing because they do look like the original. And how stunning is that one? Oh, look at that one there, just broke down. Ford RS 200 replica, because the original would cost you a lot of money. Ultima kit car is outstanding. Can I remind you, actually, one of these cars was used at the Top Gear track and actually was the fastest car until the Koenigsegg Guerrera came and beat his time at the track. Here I am by the Marlin Club. This is cool, these cars. We are so close to the summer, guys, and this is the type of car to have. And let me to tell you, some of these cars, they just cost between £3,000 and £4,000. Now that is a bargain for a summer car. Look at this, guys, they put a chicken here. Are you kidding me? For sure these people, they love barbecues. Scamp TNX Limited.
I used to let it in, all the things you said. You try to turn me into somebody else, but it will ricochet. I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you.
Something that I noticed this year is, guys, they have more car clubs here. Just look at this replica, guys. Actually, you could use this car for weddings. This is a Aston Martin DBR2 replica. My goodness, this is so beautiful. The color looks like the original. This is outstanding. Actually, this was a replica of a proper racing car. This car club is called the Oak. And what I like is these people, they have passion. As you can see, they gathered together, they are chatting with each other, and they are showing their cars to the public. This is really good. They got here over 20 cars, and look, all of them, they do look mint, guys. We are close to the Lotus 7 kit cars, and my goodness, there's so many different colors here. Some of them, they are really stunning. The AC Cobras, they are always popular. Oh, gorgeous, this in black. And even this one in grey. This is so stunning, these cars. Say the first time actually I saw a replica car was actually a Ferrari 355, and there it is, a good example. These cars, they are based on a Toyota MR2. They are cheap to run, cheap insurance. Let me to tell you, this one actually does look like the real thing, but there's more here. There's the California, could be the Ferrari 430 as well. This is stunning. I couldn't ignore a Jaguar E-Type. This is the convertible, but actually is the first time that I came across. There's a hard top, and I never saw actually one with a hard top. This looks mint. Look at this replica Rolls Royce. My goodness, this is so stunning. But there's a few more here around, different type of replicas. These clubs, they do have passion for this type of cars. Like always, you'll find amazing and delicious food at these car shows. Guys, there's another MrWig here. Are you kidding me? Actually, it's a good looking MrWig. I love his hair. We got a blonde this time. How you doing anyway?
Blonde's always...
Do you still got the same car? Same car? Have you done anything since I saw you last year?
We've enjoyed lots of trips, long road trips.
Where did you go?
Abroad. We have one in this country as well.
My goodness, never saw so many buggies in my life. Look at these buggies. My goodness, some of them, they got glitter. Here's one of the biggest clubs here. And now we are inside this tent where they have more replica cars. I presume this is the Lotus 7. Some of them, they are really stunning. I tell you guys, this year is much bigger than last year. There's more clubs, more cars. This is an amphibio car, but it's quite small. That's what it looks to me. My goodness, some of them, they are stunning. Look at these cars. People, they invest so much money. Look how cool is this car. This is a Nova, really stunning. Look at this system where the hard top actually goes up and down. Is pulled down to go down. Really beautiful. Love these cars. They are not very expensive. You can buy a good one, less than £7,000. Indoor at the KitCar Show is just not kit cars that you can see it or buy it or even sell it. All the parts actually they are here. For example, is a £1. My goodness, that is a bargain. every time I see the Porsche 356, it reminds me when James Dean, the actor, died in one very similar to this one. Is this a Lotus? This is a replica of a proper racing car. There's another replica car here with the frame and wheels and the engine. From an AC Cobra to an awesome car to another legend, the Lancia Stratos. Look at this AC Cobra. Actually, it's my favorite just because of the color is blue. This car looks outstanding. There's another AC Cobra. It's got a V8 American Corvette engine. This is stunning. Oh my goodness. Look at the cars. They are here. Absolutely stunning. The Ford GT40, and there's another one in white. This is called the Exocet G-Type. It's got this chameleon paint. It looks really stunning. Some of these replica cars, they are stunning. Look at with those sparkle seats. Doesn't it look incredible? My goodness. Good quality. This is stunning.
Drop his front wheel, right, and then hop across each one. All right.
I love this Ford Mustang kit cars here. These Morgan three-wheelers, they are really stunning, and obviously the club would have to be here. There's more kit cars here, the KitCar Show in Malvern. What does he have inside the car? What is this? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, he's a pilot. My friends, I'm gonna end here at the KitCar Show, the Three Counties Showground in Malvern. Let me to tell you, I saw amazing cars. How about I finish here by the Ford GT40? There's a GTM replica car, and I will have to mention this amazing car, the Lotus Elan in British racing green with some graphics in gold. It does look stunning. Let me to tell you guys, this show was outstanding. Stoneleigh used to hold this show, the KitCar Show. Now they moved here since last year from Stoneleigh to the Three Counties Showground in Malvern, in the county of Worcestershire. Let me to tell you guys, this show was outstanding. I saw amazing cars, amazing replicas, fake supercars. This was outstanding. I did enjoy. My goodness, this year is much bigger than last year, and all I can see is year after year this show will get bigger and bigger. This was huge, over 1,000 cars here, and I have a feeling that next year is going to be really good. Hope one day you can see a KitCar Show, because they do make KitCar shows around the country. Wherever you live, please go and see it. You will be blown away. And let me to tell you as well, these kit cars, they are really cheap. They are cheap to run, and the car insurance, they are cheap as well. So hope you have enjoyed it, guys. Here I am in a beautiful part of the country. They say that Malvern actually is one of the best cities to live. And here I am. I have to agree, this is really stunning. Malvern Hills is just on your left, guys. This was incredible. I saw amazing cars, saw old faces here at this car show, and I did enjoy, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.